Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to refund Ryanair plane ticket. So if you're getting a refund from Ryanair can be a bit tricky, but there is a simple step guide to help you navigate the process. So the first thing to do is to check refund eligibility. So Ryanair tickets are generally non-refundable. However, you may be eligible for a refund if your flight was cancelled by Ryanair, if there are significant delay, or in case of extraordinary circumstances such as serious illness or death of an immediate family member. And also go to the Ryanair refund page and select the categories that applies to your refund request. You can request refund from tickets, baggage fee, and other services. And also complete the refund form with the necessary details, including your flight information and the reason for your refund request. Make sure to provide accurate information to avoid delay. And after that, once you fill out the form, submit it for processing. Ryan here will review your request and notify you of the status. So after that, refunds are typically processed within 5 working days. If you have booked directly with Ryanair, if you're booked through a third-party agent, the process might take longer, and you can check the status of your refund request on the Ryanair front page. And that's it.